Hey, growing up, I always thought that all I had to do to really make it or succeed in life was to find out what my unique gifts and abilities and just go straight ahead with those. I love to read, I love to write, I love to be around people. But as I matured in my thinking and as life put me through some paces, I realized that there might be another way to finding out what we are called to do and how we may best serve. Welcome to In the Word, a devotional segment to get you started on your day. And I'm your host, Dr. Kathy Ann Hernandez, also known as Dr. H from Value What Matters. And now, the Word. While it's certainly true to know what our gifts and abilities are so we can walk into our calling, it's equally true that one of the biggest tasks each of us faces on the road to personal fulfillment and meaningful service is to connect the broken, the difficult, the challenging places of our life to our calling. And that's why when I read the book Finding Calcutta by Mary Poplin, it really resonated with me. Poplin says, while it's certainly true that it's good to know our gifts and abilities, it's often also true that our crises, our grievings reveal our calling. And so it comes to be that the places where we are broken, where we have been broken, they become strong for us in the sense that we can show others the path to healing and moving on. Let me tell you, I am learning that my painful experiences, my challenging life circumstances have uniquely qualified me to be a comforter to those who are experiencing similar troubles in their lives. In fact, it is the foundation stone on which my current ministry is built. And that is why the Apostle Paul was able to write to the Corinthians in 2 Corinthians 1 3 to 5 and pen these words: Praise be to the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ, the Father of compassion and the God of all comfort, who comforts us in our troubles so that we can comfort those in any trouble with the comfort we ourselves receive from God. It's not just about us. It's about having the experience so that we can speak to others, we can comfort them, we can be a source of encouragement from a place that says, I know. And that's the comfort that we are able to give only after we've been through it. So my encouragement to you today is that indeed we serve a God who is well able to turn even the dark chapters in our life, turn them around in such a way that they become the very thing that uniquely positions us for service and ministry, meaningful service and ministry. Praise be to God who comforts us in our trouble, that we may comfort others with the same comfort we have received. Take courage and take comfort in those words. Have a great day. Don't get distracted. Remember to value what matters. Take care. Bye.